That's a good thing for us to know as well, in
Yeah,
that if we see an assistance dogs, because assistance dogs are always have a harness on so that we know
there you go.
that they are an assistance dog. So if we see them and they're jumping around like that, should we then would it be good for us to go to that person and see if we can offer them any assistance?
If the owner is physically standing and okay, no. If they're looking like they might collapse or faint or are trying to sit down, then going over and just going, "Hey, do you need a hand for anything?" But while ignoring the dog still.
Yeah. So it could be just stand back and watch to make sure that
Yeah,
they're responding,
yeah.
that they feel okay and
Mhm.
that life is going to get back to normal now because they've got the
Yeah.
dog with them.
Let the dog do their job.
Yeah, because dogs, that's what the dog's there for.